mothers, washing and arranging clothes, which one hard pass? Clean my house with me, guys. As I come back from church, I need to just mark a strength.
No man, I don't like eating while going to church. I don't know why. So me, I've eaten food. I need to feed my baby. This boy enjoys this food so much, so I have to calm down and feed.
Because I don't even want him to disturb me at all. I just want to feed him very well so that he will go and play with his siblings, guys. So this is him after eating. He was so happy. So then back to work. This is me. I just got to my room. I just start by opening the window. If I look at my room, I see if I run for my room for how many days. So I just have to start from the bed. I just check all those clothes on the bed if they are neat or dirty. In fact, I have a lot of dirty clothes, so I have to check my face every day. I look my face in the mirror. I say, is this me? If not for motherhood, this will never happen to my face at all. But I'm happy. So my fellow mothers, I want to ask, washing clothes and arranging clothes, which one hard first? Because I see this one as the most hardest thing. To arrange clothes no easy, because this clothes where you see don't reach like 2 weeks where you don't wash it, but to arrange another thing. So this is me after arranging the clothes. I have to fast forward it because it's not, if this video is too long, I have to short it so you understand. So please answer me in the comment section, washing clothes and arranging them, which one is the most hardest thing to do? So this is me after arranging this clothes. So it is time to pack them inside my wardrobe. This is my wardrobe. In fact, you know why I like to fold my clothes? Because if I fold my clothes, I'll wear less clothes in a week. I can repeat clothes in a week. But if I don't arrange them, I will just carry them they wear because they sweet me. So as I arrange, I just make I dance more. I have to shake this body where my God give me. See my body. I'm proud of my body. If you're not proud of your body, now you sabi you. So as I was doing, I just came across this my purse. You will see this my purse now. Well, let me just show you where I saw that my purse. This my purse is very, very, very beautiful. I have not used it because it's newly made for my sister and my co-wife. She made this bag for me as my Christmas gift. It was so beautiful. So I think I'm done with arranging of clothes. This is the outcome. So now I just have to pack my baby's dirty clothes because I need to wash it because it's house chores day. So this is after. Just look at now. All this my baby made thing. What do you do with it? Because it's too expensive to just throw away. So this is me continually sweeping and sweeping. After sweeping, I have to mop my room because it has been long I mop my room. Though I sweep it on the norms, but mopping, it has been long I mop my room. So this is me. I just want to clean my room, make it look more beautiful. So this is after mopping. I just have to go and wash my baby's clothes immediately. So it's actually time to wash. I wash and wash. In fact, where do I gather all this strength from? I don't even know, because if you tell me that I need to do all this work in a day, I cannot even believe. This time to raising them, I just have to raise them. In fact, I felt so good doing all this, because motherhood is that stress you go through with joy in your heart. So this is me when I was praying. I just have to make it more faster, because in fact, why not? What am I wasting time for? So I also want to pray for every waiting mom. You too will express motherhood in Jesus' name. Amen.